Zhejiang Aoer Electrical Appliances Company Limited, located at Shenzhou City near Hangzhou, Shanghai, and Ningbo City, have convenient communications. Aoer Company, established in 1996. After 20 years developed, it has been special in the manufacture of electric motor serials, including all kinds of AC asynchronous motors, mainly produce AC gear motor, reducer motor, mover motor, concrete mixer motor, pump motor, and range hood motor. In 2011, Aoer have ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification. Also own UL, CSA, TUV, CE, ROHS, CCC, and Japan S certifications. One of gear motor, which developed by itself, have design patent. In the pursuit of economic efficiency, Aoer also pay attention on construction of enterprise culture, which continue to highlight the entrepreneurial spirit, increasing social cohesion, deeply setting up the thought of customer firstly. So recent years, Aoer Company have been enjoying good reputation from bank and customers. Continued several years have China ABC Bank 3A credit standing certification after his evaluated. In recent years, Aoer was appraised Shenzhou Excellent Private Enterprise, Quality Integrity, 3A Enterprise certification. Now, we actively expand a broad market by our technical advantage and quality, and establish long-term good relationship with customers in different countries and areas. We are looking forward to found a long-term and mutual benefit cooperation with you to develop the market together from now.